Hi everyone, I just wanted to give everyone a helpful hint. I'll be doing another video on cleaning a slow drain in a washroom sink, but I was thinking about what type of disposable tray or container to use to remove the contents of the slow drain, and they can be quite, I guess, disgusting. So what I did was I just took a container of Palmolive or any other hand soap that you can find, as long as it has a handle, which I find very convenient. What I did was I just took a hard blade and I just cut the container halfway, and then it's able to separate into two. The good thing is that when you're holding this container, you can slide it underneath things and it's fairly shallow. And you can always make it even more shallow if you wanted to. The great thing here is that this would have landed in the junkyard or in recycling anyways, and it's free. On this side here, I kept it a little bit higher up, and that way I can take advantage of this top. So once the contents are inside this container, I can easily pour them through here. I mean, of course, I'll have to be careful not so that they don't overrun this area, but for me, this is perfect. And again, any dishwasher soap or any container will work. I prefer to have the ones with handles, like it said, because you can maneuver it a lot better. I used the heavier blade to cut the outside, and then once it was cut from the outside, I opened this up and I use the thinner blade to cut the inside of the handle. Hope this helps you guys and makes you use up some things that would normally be thrown out or sent to recycling. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.